Professional accountants would have all of us believe that accounting and bookkeeping are incredibly complex. They make it seem kind of like rocket science. But the truth is that the fundamental accounting algorithm is beautifully and elegantly simple. It hasn't really changed since Luca Pacioli first described it in 1494, when Gutenberg's printing press was still at the bleeding edge of technology. If you know your 3 R's, reading, writing and arithmetic, you could probably learn to do your own bookkeeping in just a few months.
But if you're running your own small business, the chances are you have better things to do than spend a few months learning how to do your own bookkeeping. Even if you outsource the bookkeeping to a bookkeeping firm, you'll probably have to get a professional to do your income tax. Income tax is kind of like rocket science. I get the most recent version of Canada's Income Tax Act in my office every year. The 2019 edition is almost 2,500 pages long, and it reads kind of like source code. Most sections of the Act are chock full of if, then, and else statements and hyperlinks to related sections. Often G2.com is a great place to start for unbiased reviews. With the small business filter selected, you're shown 63 different packages in G2's proprietary grid. That's a lot more than you could comfortably evaluate effectively. 3 of the top choices are different flavors of QuickBooks, with QuickBooks Online shown in the top right-hand corner. Also shown in the top right-hand quadrant are Xero, FreshBooks, Zoho Books, Sage Accounting, and SAP Business One. Mysteriously missing from this selection is Wave Accounting. For some reason, Wave only shows up under the trending view. In the last 10 years or more, I haven't seen anything besides QuickBooks Online, Xero, and Wave Accounting. So, I have repopulated the grid with those 3 packages. I also show another software tool that doesn't get any mention from G2 when it comes to accounting software. While the publishers of accounting software don't readily admit it, spreadsheet software is the most popular choice for accounting by small micro businesses in Canada. And there are some pretty good reasons for that. Today, record keeping is more important than bookkeeping for micro businesses. For a micro business with 5 or fewer staff members, you mostly need to harvest digital transactions for your accountant to summarize. In our workshop, Evaluating Accounting Systems for a Micro Business, we'll look at the needs of your particular small business. We'll then try and tailor a system that makes sense for your specific needs.